Hey fam, it's Bonnie again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a special fall, sultry pink makeup look. It's very pink, it's shimmery, it's purple, it's vibrant, it's cheerful. Ha ha. Oh, all the beautiful adjectives. I did this makeup on this festive season and I absolutely love, and according to people, they loved it too. So this makeup is kind of goes with western grungy outfit and also with Indian looks. I hope you like it. Stick with me through this full face makeup tutorial. Here comes my no makeup duck face with very clear sign of not sleeping well. But wait, it gets better, I swear. I'll start with using this lip balm. This is Joy lip balm and it's rose. I swear this smells heavenly. It smells like beautiful rose water and kind of ruabsa. If you like the flavor of ruabsa, I don't know, I kind of like it. This is my new favorite lip balm. Most important step, eyebrows. Actually, brows give you the shape of your face and a frame where to put on your eyeshadows. I'm using this Maybelline brow pencil. It's a ashy gray color. This pencil kind of works good for me, so I've been using this for eternity. I need to throw it away. I need to throw away many makeup products, but I am broke. Okay, move on. Now I'll start with eyeshadow, which I always do to avoid fallouts. Now I'm taking this orangey brown type shadow with a big fluffy brush to the crease and blending it to the lid and to the brow bone. This is my transition shade. Now you may think this is too dark to be a transition shade, but I think it will work out chill. Blend as if your life depends on it. It will give this nice gradient effect. Round, 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 back and forth, back and forth. Use these motions. Okay, ignore me. Round and round, back and forth, windshield motion. Use these motions, okay? Now I'm taking a lesser fluffy blending brush and adding this, pinkish, almost neon-y pink color, very bright pink color, and adding it in the corner and up my crease line. Now blending the two colors together to be gradient darker smoky effect. Taking slightly smaller brush and I'm mixing three colors, this pink, blue, purplish blue actually, and this dark old purple color. I'm mixing these three colors together and I'm highlighting the inner corner. Since I have hooded eyes, and you people out there, anyone who has hooded eyes, see, the main problem with our eyes are our outer corners. So you have to outline the outer corner. You have to deceive people into thinking that your outer corner has depth, because our outer corner is droopy. So with hooded eyes, you always have to take extra care of your outer corner. This is also done. Now I'm taking this shimmery pink color. I'm taking it on my fingernail. This is a shimmery pink color. I'm taking it on my finger and patting it on the inner corner to the center lid. If you have hooded eyes, brightening up the inner portion of your eyes are necessary because the outer side is already droopy. So our goal with hooded eyes always is take care of the outer corner, give it depth, and for inner corner, make it more shimmery, give it more vibrance. That's what we want to do whenever we do eye makeup for hooded eyes. Now, eyeliner. Ugh. For hooded eyes, this is where the pain starts. I swear, oh my god, and if you have two different eye shapes like I do, then may God bless you. But bold eye is not a good look. I have often seen nowadays people totally lose this eyeliner or kajal part, but with vibrant colors, if you don't highlight your eyes, I kind of get lost in all these colors, so bald eye is not an option. I'm lining my upper and lower waterline as well, and I'm doing this very small teeny tiny wing on my outer corner. It's a very teeny tiny wing. Now curl your eyelash, then apply mascara. This is my Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. I swear, this is the love of my life. I have tried a hell lot of other mascaras. None of them really touched my heart like this one did. I vouch for this product. Now, this is Faces Canada Mattifying Foundation. I'm applying it with my brush. I actually don't like using too much foundation, and with this foundation, actually this is a face tint. I don't know why they marketed it as foundation, because it doesn't have much pigment. It's not that opaque type foundation, but for me it's good because lesser the better when it comes to foundation for me. This foundation do not feel cakey and heavy at all, and make sure to blend it all in properly. I look like a zombie now, but wait, it gets better. Now I'm taking two concealers, and even for color correction I have also used this concealer as well, which is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. The shade is Warm Sand. It's Warm Sand is warm, so I took this warm toned concealer to color correct before using foundation, and after using foundation. My other favorite concealer is Bonjour Paris. I forgot the shade. I'll list everything down below. If you want to buy them, you can go to the link and buy them. Again, use as little as possible. Only the amount you need. Only where you need to cover. Just there. I know Indian makeup artists and most makeup YouTubers are fascinated with powders and cakey concealer, but I don't think you would like a face that looks like you are fresh out of bakery. Mm, So, nah, don't do cake face. Aha, contour. Contour. Well, many people use warm or cool tone. For me, this is almost winter, and I go for this cool tone contour shade, and I don't go too hard with this. I'm just putting in the hollows of my cheek. Nowadays, Instagram people are putting their contour shade various places, but this is where I think my face looks flattering because I have heart-shaped face and fluffy cheeks. My face naturally doesn't look sculpted, and to be honest, I am not really the fan of Kim Kardashian type, slick contour as well. Neither I can achieve it. My face is like a boiled potato. Okay, now with this look, blush should be very very soft, and Lakme Blush Duo Rose is perfect for that. Do a wash of color. It should not overpower your eyeshadow, because see, your eyeshadow is also pink. Even though we are going for this pink shimmery look on our face, but we don't want, we worked really hard for our eyeshadows, right? So we want that to shine. So our blush should not be too much, but at the same time our blush shouldn't be invisible as well, because we are going for this pink glow. So this is the balance we are here to we are trying to achieve. Oh my god, this blush is so fine. It almost blends like cream blush. This is so fine. This is my favorite blush so far. Also, don't forget about highlighter, okay? Do not forget about highlighter because you can see it in the title. It's shimmering. We want shimmer. We want shimmer. Okay, so if you are confused that only where to put on our highlighter and do not look like a disco ball, well, the thing is, I am a glitter whore and I do not mind looking like a disco ball, but you are not a psycho like me. You are a normal person. So if you are confused that where to wear highlight, just take a little bit on your finger, on your fan brush, or wherever it is. Create a C from your eyebrows, where your eyebrows end, up till where your eyeball, if you are looking straight, where your eyeball remains, in the middle of your eye. Create a C and brush it, blend it. Ha, easy peasy, man. This is a lipstick. Again, this is purple matte. I forgot about the name of the lipstick. I am writing it down below. Please check out the description to see the lipsticks names. Man, this is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean, oh my god, you don't understand how good these shades are until you wear them, see them up close and personal. I mean, if you look at them online or on the store, you will feel like meh. But the moment you wear them, they change. I mean, buy them. I have discussed this lipstick formula and pros and cons in a video. I'll link the video in the description. Please watch it. That was a different shade but the same lipstick. I mean, I bought a packet of 4 lipsticks. This is one of them, but I have reviewed another shade. Formulas are the same, it's just the colors are different. Yes, now this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. This is my pink sultry makeup look. This makeup look, especially, this is based on pink and magenta. This will look good on any Indian skin tone. May that be paler skin tone or darker skin tone. Since it is magenta and pink base, they are bound to look good on Indian skin. So thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos from me, hit the subscribe button right now. Until then, tata, bye bye.